Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on gradient and Y-intercept form worksheet. So this video gives a worksheet on the gradient and Y-intercept form. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed here, there is a lesson on this very topic. When you get to the last slide, if you want to flick to the last slide straight away, if you're not sure what to do, just click on the link provided and it will explain how to do each of these examples. I'll leave this slide on for, say, a minute or so, and of course you can leave it on there for as long as you like so that you can do each of the examples. After that time, I'll move on to the next slide, which has all the answers. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So now these are the answers, so you can check how you went. And again, I'll leave this slide on for a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I will move on to the last slide now, and here it is.